Your Amazon Echo hides a secret. Alexa has a massive library of hidden sound effects and ambient noises you can unlock with a simple command. Just say, "Alexa, open sound effects," or try asking for specific sounds like thunderstorm, rainforest, or even a spaceship. There are dozens to discover, perfect for setting the mood, relaxing, or just having fun. You can even ask Alexa to loop sounds for hours, making it a great white noise machine. Next time you need a vibe change, give it a try. Did you know about this hidden Alexa trick?